In this video, I will show you how to change the HDMI input source of your LG Smart TV without the remote control. So if you misplace the remote control of your LG Smart TV, or for some reasons the remote control is not just working, then this video is going to be a very useful one for you. Now, to change the input source of your LG Smart TV without the remote control, you want to go ahead and locate the power button just below the LG logo over here on your LG Smart TV. Now, in some models of LG Smart TV, you might actually find it on the right hand side or on the left hand side, but whichever way, just go over to the bottom of your LG Smart TV and check for the power button just below the logo over here. And once you find the button, you just want to go ahead and press on it once to bring out this menu over here. Now, from here, to navigate through these options, you want to go ahead and tap on the button just once to navigate through all of the options over here, and to select any of the option. In this case, since we are changing the input source, we'll go ahead and select the input button over here. And then to change the HDMI input source we have just selected, you want to go ahead and long press on the power button, and automatically input source will be selected. You can literally see over there. Now, to change the input source, you just want to go ahead and tap on it once, and you can see that the input source has now changed to HDMI 3. Now, to go over to HDMI 1, you want to go ahead and do the same thing. Press on the power button to bring out the menu, and then you just want to go ahead and press on it again to select the input source. Now, long press on it to get into the input source, as you can see over here. And then to just change it, you want to go ahead and press on it once, and automatically the input source of your LG Smart TV will be changed. So basically, that is how to change the input source of your LG Smart TV without the remote control. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.